is Anita C. So we are back in Bangkok, and we are back at the HANSAR Hotel in Bangkok, and we are staying again at the Vertical Suite. Actually, when my husband and I came together, we usually stay at the Vertical Suite, and it's holiday season and we are glad to be back. So Vertical Suite, this is actually an all-suite hotel, and Vertical Suite is actually from the top category down one. So the highest category is the loft suite, and then is the Vertical Suite. So anyway, we love the Vertical Suite because it's bright, and if you request it early, you will have the golf course view, and that is exactly the view if you're staying at the St. Regis. So just showing you the nice golf course view. There you go. Okay, so why don't I go back to start from the beginning, and then to give you another updated room tour. Okay, so as you can see, it's very nicely decorated, although there may be some renovation or some refurbishment needed for the wall. Okay, but overall it's decent, it's well maintained, it's quite nice, with all the decor, all the decoration. Okay, so this is the entrance, or this is the entry door, and when you get in, this is the living room area, the sofa area. Okay, and then you can see we're here for the Christmas season, so Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And they have very special cookies as the welcome. Okay, and then they have the updated information because last time when I was here, the restaurant on the first floor is not open yet, but now it seems like that L level, that restaurant is open already. Breakfast continued to be on the 19th floor, and then another cafe on the L level, and then the new restaurant, Arisuki restaurant, on the L level. And then they also have the Italian restaurant on L level. So they have opened, like 2 restaurants at the L level. I would check it out. And the Root Bar is always on the 8th floor. The wellness, the spa is on the 8th floor. We just call, and then they are pretty busy. So we didn't get to book the spa package for today. The swimming pool and the fitness club also on the 8th floor. We'll check it out. Wi-Fi is included, and breakfast is also included in our room rate. Okay, so continuing on, this is the work desk area. Although we are here for like kind of a holiday, but my husband may still need to do some work, so this is perfect space for him to do some work over here. And then this is a long bench, with the TV and everything. And then you can walk in from both ways. So if I walk in this way, you will see the bedroom. Okay, so this is the very cool bedroom that I like a lot. But some people, like think that it's on the floor and then 2 steps up and down, but it is your preference whether you like it or not. And then there's a TV over here that you can turn around facing the bed, and you can see, my husband already charging his phone and things like that. So that is the bedroom. Okay, and then this is the bathroom. So you can see with the bathtub, with the double sink, and then also with enough space, 2 space for 2 pieces of luggage and hangers and everything. So they got the bathrobe, over here. Okay. And again, the dressing table with the hair dryer, with the cup, and then the water for teeth brushing. Again, showing you the bathtub. And then of course they have the rain shower. And this is the amenities. Okay. And then this is the bathroom. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm walking out from this door. So you can see the layout is very comfortable. The space is of good use, and it'll be perfect for us to spend 3 nights here for our Christmas holiday. Okay, so we'll have breakfast, we'll try to book spa, and we'll show you the swimming pool and everything. So please continue to watch the video. She's calling my name already. Yeah, thank you. the crab meat.
Yep.